Hello, my name's Raphael.
And my name is Anastasia. Our company's experts know everything about roofing shingles. We practice an individual approach to every project, taking many factors into consideration. And today we will show you our new re-roofing project.
We were asked for help by Maria. The roof of her house is covered with galvanized sheet steel. It has served her well for many years, but it clearly needs to be replaced now. Let's visit Maria to see the roof with our own eyes.
Hello.
Nice to see you, Maria.
Come on inside, please. Maria adores her house with its cozy garden. As her most frequent visitors are her beloved grandchildren, their safety is, of course, her main concern.
Maria, could you tell us please, how long have you been living in this house, and have you had any problems with the roof?
Sure, I'll tell you all about it. We moved here in October 1996. As for the roof, we've really faced some problems. There are leakages from the roof down the chimney. When it's rainy or windy, it gets very noisy inside, as there's no attic floor in our house. But the main problem was discovered in winter. Here we have much snow, and when it starts melting, the issue of snow slides comes up. Once, the snow fell right on my grandson's head as he was passing by, and we had to take him to the hospital. Later this month, I'm going away on vacation with my grandchildren, and I expect to see a great change in our house's look when we come back.
Maria, we'll do our best to finish the work by your arrival. When Maria returns from her vacation, the house will have a new roof. There's no time to waste, so let's get started.
Having prepared all the necessary materials, our team started by dismantling the old galvanized steel roofing sheets.
It is a built-up roof with heat insulation up to the ridge, and we can see some obvious engineering defects. A ventilation duct is missing, and the insulation thickness does not comply with the local building regulations. To correct the situation, we'll modify the construction of the rafter system. We'll install new rafters of 200 mm high.
This measure will allow us to increase the thickness of insulation by 50 mm. Proper insulation thickness varies in every region and depends on its climate.
After the erection of the rafter system, we will install a vapor barrier and seal all joints.
A vapor control membrane is applied to the inner battens and fixed to the rafters with a special tape. This method of vapor barrier installation will preserve the interior of the house.
The next step is to lay stone wall slabs with staggered joints to avoid cold bridges.
For built-up pitched roofs, basalt heat insulation is the best option because it doesn't change its dimensions or excellent thermal properties as time passes. Thanks to its special characteristics and fiber arrangement, basalt insulation will not slip down along the roof slope, block external air supply, or strip the ridge of the roof. The inclusion of the required roofing membranes is very important since they ensure durability and a long service life of the whole roofing system.
To protect the insulation slabs from humidity, we placed a diffusion membrane on top to make a ventilation duct over it later.
A super diffusion membrane not only protects insulation material from humidity, but it can also serve as a temporary roof for up to 4 months. Another important thing is the arrangement of roof ventilation. Please be aware that there mustn't be any areas of air stagnation in a vent duct. For this reason, we use battens with a section of 50 by 50 millimeters to form a vent duct and then place spaced battens on them.
The owners of the house also asked us to solve their problem with the attic illumination, and our solution is roof windows.
Roof windows provide up to 40% more light in comparison with ordinary ones.
When our roof decking is ready, we can start installation of asphalt shingles.
Our decking is made of oriented strand boards. Always leave a 3 mm minimum gap between boards to allow for expansion. It's necessary to attach metal flashings to the eaves edge before you start roofing shingle installation. Then, cover a roof decking with underlayment membrane and fix metal flashings at the rakes. For this project, we have chosen laminated roofing shingles from ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ Jazz Collection. The color is Terra. The ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ plant has modern equipment for asphalt shingle production. Advanced technologies allow us to produce roofing shingles of supreme performance in the widest range of patterns and shades.
To install double layer or laminated roofing shingles is much easier and quicker compared to installation of traditional or single layer shingles. The reason is that you don't have to consider any pattern.
Before the first row of roofing shingle installation, we applied some mastic over the eaves flashing. Then we started to install shingles with the help of a pneumatic nail gun that makes the whole installation process much quicker. Since the roof slope angle is less than 45 degrees, we can fix every shingle with 5 nails. Place roofing nails exactly at the painted guideline to ensure you fasten through a shingle double layer area. To complete our re-roofing, we're installing a continuous vent along the ridge. It is assembled from segments, each of which is fixed with 8 screws. They easily attach to each other, making a continuous vent. Hip and ridge shingles matching a basic roof color are installed over a ridge vent to make it unnoticeable and to give a finishing touch to the look of your roof. Finally, we have finished our re-roofing work. The new roof is not only much more durable, it has totally changed the look of the new house.
Well, dear friends, the roof renewal has been completed. Our homeowner has already come back. Maria, please, take a look at our work.
It's wonderful. All my dreams have come true. Of course, I expected a good result, but what I can see now exceeds my expectations. Even people who are driving by slow down to have a look. There's no roof like ours in the neighborhood. Raphael, thank you for your work. Good luck in the future. The new roof will serve well for many years, and it will survive any weather conditions. Maria won't have to worry about her family.
Guaranteed safety is one of the main advantages of ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ roofing materials. We wish our guest all the best in her long life. Come back soon to check our latest projects. Goodbye.
We were really surprised when Maria invited our team again to show the new roof of her bathhouse. Being inspired by beauty, high endurance, and easy installation of roofing shingles, she and her family decided to re-roof their bathhouse by themselves. ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ is a major European manufacturer of roofing, waterproofing, and insulating materials. More than 200 million people around the world live and work in buildings constructed using materials manufactured by ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ.